Are you struggling with the keto diet? Does the thought of strict rules and cravings overwhelm you? Introducing KetoCharge, your ultimate solution for a smoother keto experience. Imagine burning fat faster and more effectively. KetoCharge makes it possible. KetoCharge empowers your body by providing slimming salts that transform into electrolytes. This unique formula helps kickstart ketosis, avoiding the dreaded keto flu, and ensuring recovery from those pesky sugary cheats. With KetoCharge, you won't just survive, you'll thrive. Let's break it down. First, take 2 capsules on an empty stomach in the morning. Feel the surge of energy and the reduction of cravings as you embrace your low-carb lifestyle. In just 1 week, many users report feeling great and avoiding the common struggles of starting keto. Testimonials from satisfied customers show remarkable success. People have lost over 30 pounds in 6 weeks, experienced enhanced energy, and felt less deprived. KetoCharge is designed for everyone on their keto journey, whether you're just starting or looking to reinvigorate your routine. Still not convinced? KetoCharge is backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see the results you hoped for, we'll gladly refund your purchase. Free shipping is available on orders over $64.99, making it easier than ever to begin. So, why wait? Transform your keto experience and unleash your fat-burning potential with KetoCharge today. Visit our website to order now and take the first step towards a better you. Don't miss out, join the community thriving on keto with KetoCharge.